junky monkey. Why, Sam? You gotta understand me. I'm just a funky junky monkey.